So this is my Karma GS6. This is the first oil change. Just want to show you guys where everything is. Right here. That's where you would screw out the bolt. And right next to it, right here, is your filter. It's pretty straightforward. There's no cover on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about taking off any covers. And it's pretty easy, simple. But just make sure you check with your dealer and don't do it yourself, because that will play a role into your warranty. You really don't want to mess with that with this car. So